Slayers, this is Name Marie coming with another video, and today, child, you see me right now. We woke up. I woke up just a few minutes ago, put on a wig, put on the chain, put on a bra and everything. Because, you know, look. Pajama pants, okay? So, I just woke up. We're going to look at this Xikers House of Tricky doorbell ringing preview, okay? So, for all the people who didn't know, I did a reaction to the teaser because one of my subscribers, shout out to Mandy, told me about it, and we did it on my gaming Twitch channel. So, Eachin. Ooh, look at the blue light. We want to go over there. Sometimes we look at K-pop, you know, and stuff like that over there too. So subscribe, follow over there. But yeah, it was amazing. I was nuts. I won't even lie. I won't lie to you. I was nuts. But yeah, almost died. But we're going to look at the doorbell ringing preview. I'm excited just to see what the song is going to sound like. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. So let's get to it. Let's get through it. Look at Xikers' name. I think I'm saying their name right. Xikers. That's what y'all tell me.
Long, long ago, with the appearance of mankind, something that would cause a rift in the world emerged with them. It lived among the people, worshipped for its mysterious powers, and hated for its unceasing whims. We call it tricky.
Oh my God.
Don't kill my vibe. Out of control.
It's too early for this. Yeechan! To do Xikers reactions, and I feel bad because I'm like so back. I'm so far back. So if any Xikers fans are here, just please put all of like everything that I need to react to in order so I can go and react to them. So I can put them, I can either put them on here or in the Patreon or something like that. So just please put them somewhere that I can on the comments somewhere, or DM me or something, so I know where I can do and where I should start off. I know only a little bit. Ah! They eating. They are eating. They eating. Ooh, I'm excited. 100 and more, all of them. Right? I know this one. Hey! 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 Yeah. Word. I'm finally gonna have this on my Apple Music. I'm living. Oh, this is beautiful. What is this? They're so cute. That reminds me of 80s too. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the title song. Okay. Oh, I love this! This sounds really nice! He sounds really good. His vocals are really amazing. Oh my God, they're gonna stop it! Good strategy. I know it's their title song. That's the only reason why y'all doing that, KQ. But that shit sounds amazing. I can't wait. It's the 30th that they debut, right? Oh my God, that's near almost. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold up. It was some mumbling? Hold up. Yo! Yo, wait! The beat! The bass drop on that was fire! Not y'all doing this. Oh! Oh no, hold up. One more time. That was too much. That was too much. This Xikers? Oh, that might be a hit. Well, all of this sounds really good. But this one, this might want to be, you know I like hip-hop and R&B. Oh! Oh, look at him, he's dancing! KQ? KQ? Oh my gosh. These outfits are really. I'm surprised about him, the one with the blonde hair. Do you not look? Minjay, you better work, bitch. You better work. Minjay, is that Minjay? I gotta make sure that that's my baby. I just realized, and I was telling this to Mama Teeny when I was talking about all of my favorites last night on the Twitch, that my favorite is the rap line. I didn't even notice until I was like looking back. I said, damn, I think I like the rap line. Did you hear that vocal that they gave? And then they go into this. I can't. I'm living for all of this. And they dance and they eat with the choreo. Ah! Ah! Minjay, you better eat, bitch. Get it, Hunter! I'm very surprised about you. I'm excited about you too. You eating too. Oh! Ah! I fucking turn it off. Turn it off! That is too early for this. It's too early for this. I'm excited. I'm really excited about them. I'm super excited because all of what they just did, including even, what was it, the Rockstar song, which is their title track. Yeah, the Rockstar song. It was eaten. I'm excited. And Hunju had something to do with this as well. Oh, girl, they got E. I'm excited. I'm excited. Very, very excited for them. I will support them, including with my ATs. You know, I'm gonna support them. But I'm super, super excited. This sounds amazing. The choreo's Ian. I'm very surprised about, what is his name? The tall one with the blonde hair. I'm very surprised. They gave him a lot of airtime. I live for that. But everybody seemed like everybody getting some shine in some part of the song, and I like that. That's a little bit different from AT's. But, okay, Eden, you already know what I think. Y'all already know. If you look at my channel, I'm always critiquing Edenary about how they distribute and give people, even in different songs, airtime. But that's another conversation for another day. But I'm excited to see what this is going to be given. I want to see their music show. I'm excited. I really am. I'm so impressed. So tell me in the comments, what did you think? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be looking at some more Xikers moments and looking at their content. So please don't forget to go on the Patreon and support the Patreon if you want to see some stuff that I cannot put on the YouTube, including some Xikers stuff, because 9 times out of 10 with these music shows, and they're going to do these music shows and fan camps, I won't be able to do them on YouTube, but I can probably go on Patreon and do them. So please support the channel. I hope you like and comment on the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.